This is a Random Masters production. This certain video, as you notice above me, I think is called Remote Control Car Drift. And this car is my friend's, or Random Masters number 3, yellow Corvette. You'll notice it's bigger than the red one that we used in our past video, Remote Control Car Jumps. That one has malfunction without a battery, but oh well. Alright, so I hope you like it. Give us good comments or else we may have to take matters into our own hands. Ramp it off. Should I stop it?
And that has been a Random Masters production drift.
Tune in next time for hopefully next greatest, maybe worst hit. Oh well. Oh well. Give us good comments or heck with it. Just give us comments. We're lonely.